Today, I'm going to show you how to easily make a creamy African kidney bean stew. This dish is a great example of East African cuisine, where wonderful flavor is created with just a few ingredients. You will need 200 grams of kidney beans, 250 grams of pureed tomatoes, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 200 milliliters of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. First, heat the 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot and fry the chopped onion over low heat for about 15 minutes. Then add the garlic and grated ginger and let everything fry together for another 5 minutes. Now you add the spices, cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Stir everything well and immediately add the pureed tomatoes. Let this mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Then, add the coconut milk, the cooked kidney beans, 200 milliliters of water, and the salt to the pot and mix everything well. Let the stew simmer covered for about 20 minutes over low heat. For a creamier consistency, mash some of the beans directly in the pot and let the stew simmer for another 5 minutes. To serve, you can garnish the beans with fresh cilantro. It is traditionally eaten with rice or ugali, a firm porridge made from cornmeal. Enjoy your meal.